Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Natalie, and today I'm revealing to you a new handbag in my collection, and I am so beyond excited. It is the Gucci Ophidia shoulder bag. Now, I will have the link and style number for you guys below because I feel like Gucci's like naming of their handbags is all the same. So there's tons of Ophidia shoulder bags. So I will have the exact one below for you guys. It comes in this colorway as well as like a black and gray colorway, which is beautiful as well. But I have been wanting a Gucci Ophidia bag forever because it's just so like classic and timeless and honestly just vintage looking, and I absolutely adore the Ophidia line. I have been really wanting a bag from this line since probably since like 2018, and when I saw this bag I knew I just had to have it. This is part of the men's line, but honestly I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. I feel like the men's line always has like really unique bags and so definitely do not forget to always check out the men's line because you will find some absolute gems there. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a thicker strap, which really sold me because I have been looking at the Ophidia bags for a while. I thought about getting the mini crossbody bag. I'll put pictures so you know what I'm talking about, but I don't even think it would fit my phone, and I'm not someone that carries my phone in my hand at all times or put it in like a back pocket, so I definitely need something that fit my phone, and I thought it would just be too small of a bag. And honestly, the reviews that I watched on it just didn't make me crazy about it. And then there was this other bag that was kind of like a moon shaped like crossbody bag, and after watching a gazillion reviews on that bag for years now, because that bag, both of these bags I'm talking about are pretty like affordable of Gucci bags, and I just thought that they're a good price. I mean, now they have like gone up like hundreds of dollars now since the first time I saw them. But the crossbody bag that's like moon shaped, the only problem is that if you overstuff it or put a lot of stuff in the bag, it kind of changes its shape. And I saw that bag in person a few months back, and they had it overstuffed and it just totally changed the shape of the bag, and I was like, oh, I'm so happy I did not purchase that bag. I probably would have returned it if I did purchase it, just after like putting my stuff in it and seeing what it looked like. So I am so happy that I didn't purchase that bag. So when I saw this one come out, this is a new bag I believe for 2022. And when I saw this, I was like, I have to have it. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Not something too big or too small, something that I can fit all of my essentials in and more when I need to. And that's what I love about this bag. It honestly like lays on my body just perfectly. It's not bulky at all. So it's not super wide, but it does have a good height. So you can fit quite a bit, but it's not like oddly shaped. I don't know. Like, I just like sometimes some camera bag style bags, they're oddly shaped. They're either like too bulky, they're not tall enough, and it just like flops on your body. I don't know how to describe it, you know, if you know, but the shape of this is absolutely phenomenal. I love the fact that it comes with the thicker strap because I'm not a big fan of the all brown, like skinny leather strap. And you can take the strap off. It's completely detachable on both sides, so you can add any strap you want on this, which I love. And it does come with another strap, which I'll show you in a second. So the wider webbing strap really sold me on this bag. So it also has double zippers here, which I really like. I do not keep it in the middle because I have other bags, not even like luxury or designer, but if you keep the two zipper pulls here, this tends to bow, and I don't really want that. So I just keep them both to the side, but I do like that feature. It does have this, what is this material? But it does have like a material. It's not the canvas. So there are complaints from other Ophidia line bag reviews that I've watched that you can get pulleys on here and like fuzzies and that sort of thing, but you can remove them just like you would like with a sweater. Wasn't really a big con for me because I don't know, I just like love this bag so much. And again, you can be picky on what you wear with it, but I haven't had any issues. So then when you open it, the zipper I feel like sometimes can feel a little tough and then other times it doesn't. So right there it felt like really smooth. It has a back pocket, says Gucci there. The back pocket is actually really nice and generous in my opinion. It's nothing like super tiny. And then that is the only pocket, which I'm fine with. Honestly, I feel like sometimes these cell phone pockets, they're so small and I can't use them for a cell phone anyway. So I really don't mind that this is the only zipper pocket. But that's what it looks like. And again, what I really love about it is that it opens up really wide. So you can fit quite a bit in here. But again, it's not that wide this way, but it does have the height, which is really nice. But oh, I love this bag so much. So let me show you what the packaging looked like as when I got it. So this is the box here. This is my very first Gucci bag. I wouldn't want to say it's my last, but the only thing I really love from Gucci is the Ophidia line. So the other strap that it comes with is like this wristlet strap. It's like really thick, honestly, but I'm happy to have the option, to be honest. It's actually really nice. Or if you are like a Gucci collector and you have a ton of their straps, you can change this in and out, which I think is just really cool. So I don't really plan on really using it as a wristlet, but if I'm going somewhere where I'm only bringing one bag and I just want to be a little bit less casual, maybe I would take this off and then use it as a wristlet. It comes with like all like the care booklets. This is the tag that I cut off from the bag. The dust bag, which is actually really nice. The receipt, and it has Gucci on the back. I love the detailing. The ribbon that came on the box. And this was purchased on the holidays, so it has the holiday packaging with the ribbon and the tote bag. And I believe you always get a tote bag. It just depends what time of year, so the style does change. But this is like super cute. I mean, come on. So adorable. I will definitely take the cute little tote bag for sure. But yeah, really nice. Has the magnetic box. I will have to say, I feel like this box is definitely better than Louis Vuitton boxes. But yeah, so I think the strap, the wristlet strap is actually a really cool like touch. And again, you can use this on any other type of bag that you want. So, or any other Gucci bag or any bag for that matter. So I absolutely love this. I just wanted to show you. So this is my sunglass case. I mean, it just, you can fit quite a bit in there. That's what I really love about it. And again, it isn't like super wide, but you do have that height, which I really love. You can stand things up in here really easily, which I really like. So I haven't had any problems like finding my like wallet or finding anything that I need. It's like all right there. And again, because you can open up the bag pretty wide, you can really see everything. So it is nice that the zipper does go down so you can really like see everything. So I am absolutely in love with this bag. If you have this bag, definitely let me know what you love about it, what you don't love about it, because in that way then it will also help other people watching this video. But I will definitely do an update like type of review in the next few months, maybe do like a what's in my bag, that sort of thing. So if there's anything particular you want to see with this bag, definitely let me know below. I will definitely do it for you. But oh my gosh, as my first Gucci ever bag, it's just absolutely beautiful. The canvas, the quality of the leather trimming is gorgeous. Like, look at that. The GGs, the hardware is just gorgeous. I mean, I am honestly really impressed. And wow, I absolutely love it. Love it. I almost was going to get a wallet from the Ophidia collection, but the one that I was looking at, I'll put a picture here. The backside is like you can slip a card, like basically your ID back there. I don't really like it. I wish it didn't have that feature, or else I probably would get that wallet. And then they also have the Ophidia like key case with the whatchamacallit, with the chain that you can link your keys on. And I feel like that is just so popular. I remember when that first came out and it was available to purchase online, and now it's not. And I'm honestly happy I didn't get it because I don't think that it would fit that great in this bag anyway. But I really would like a small like SLG from the Ophidia collection because it is just so gorgeous. So I'm going to hold out and wait and see. Maybe some new stuff might come out, but gosh, I love this strap. It's so comfortable to wear. I've been loving this, and I wear a ton of black anyway, and this just matches with everything that I have been wearing, and I love it. I haven't found anything yet that it clashes with, and honestly, because of like the neutral of the monogram, it's just so beautiful. So I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're thinking about this bag, I would definitely get it. I know it's been really hard to get. It's been sold out online for a while, but even the black and gray colorway is just so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And it doesn't have like this like strap here. It's just all of the canvas. So if you don't like the stripe, then you might like that one a little bit better. But I just love this just classic Ophidia colorway. It's just so beautiful, guys. I absolutely love it. And again, it's just been a really great bag to use every single day, that I really think that I'll end up using this every single day. So I absolutely love it. And I also love the fact that with the colors, you can use this year round. It's not like just so dark or super bright that it's only going to be good for summer or good for fall. And honestly, I feel like this will be a good bag like when I go on vacation, and it's just going to be a really great bag. So for like many things. And again, I can fit everything that I usually bring with me, and I still have room, which is exactly what I wanted, because there are some times where I do carry a little bit more than some other days, and I didn't want to have to downsize or have to bring another bag. So perfect size for my lifestyle, and honestly perfect style for my lifestyle. That's definitely one thing. As much as I really do want a Chanel, I just feel like my lifestyle is just very casual, and I just don't think that bag, I don't think I would get a lot of use out of that bag for like my lifestyle. So anyway, I can appreciate that bag from afar, but I feel like this is so perfect for my casual everyday lifestyle. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys.